Right, next day I just picked up about 3 tons. It was all I had of the crushed 304. So I'm going to spread this out over top and kind of try and work it in. And that will lock all of this big stuff together, because it looks awesome, but that stuff's actually hard to walk on, and I guess I don't want to trip. So we're going to spread this out, lock it all in, and see where we're at for the day. All right, let's get to it. This shouldn't take long at all. Spread out, not very even, but it'll be good enough for this application. I'll probably get some 57s, put over at least the front part, and mix in here. So I really wanted this to be a solid base, because it's like I'll have trucks and equipment come on here, so I'm gonna make sure this is locked tight. And the reason for that is this road's busy, and when you need to pull out, you need to be able to go. You don't need any tires spinning or to get stuck halfway out. All right, well that's it for the 60-65 foot of driveway install. All right, till next time.